That's a very hot coal. That's a very burned toe. But hey, after a margarita, not so bad. I guess I'll really feel it in the morning. Here's our big bluefin tuna steak and a refill. Now it's time to put it on the grill. I don't know if you ever stepped on a hot coal, but it's freaking hot. So there's the tuna on the Volcano Grill. We'll see what happens. And it looks like this is going to require more tequila. So my goal with this is just to sear it on both sides, and that is white and black sesame seeds on top, and there are some on bottom, and there are actually some hickory soaked hickory chips in the bottom that you may or may not be able to see, but this should be a little raw in the middle. This is sushi grade tuna that I bought that I never used, so we'll see what happens. Right, so let's turn this baby over. Alright. So I've already eaten most of it. I'd like to make a correction. It was not bluefin, it was yellowfin, because bluefin tuna, as we all know, is very expensive. So this was yellowfin tuna, but it was pretty good. I overcooked it a little bit considering the fact that I had this to deal with, but you know, stuff happens. Anyway,